Hi there, my name is Sevaram Spronk, and today I would like to take you through another very easy and very fast acting breathing technique. This time around, we're going to learn left nostril breathing. Left nostril breathing does the opposite to what right nostril breathing does. So it calms you down. If you are feeling a little bit uppity and it's time to go to sleep, that's when it's a good time to do the left nostril breathing. Left nostril breathing is connected to the moon energy. It connects us to the feminine qualities of our being, to thinking that's more creative and not linear. So let's do this together. Bring your right hand up and cover either with your thumb or with your index finger your right nostril, and start inhaling and exhaling through the left nostril only. Left nostril breathing, left nostril only. I will start the timer. We'll go for 3 minutes. Continue going with your breath. Stay present to it. As you breathe, notice everything and anything that is to be noticed about that breath. Notice the temperature as it enters your nostril. Notice the sensations as it moves down your throat. Notice the muscles of the rib cage and your stomach expanding as you inhale and contracting and coming to the rest as you exhale. As you breathe, breathe into the stomach, your rib cage, all the way up to the collarbones. And exhale from the collarbones, middle of the rib cage, and your stomach, navel tucking in just slightly to help you fully exhale. Inhaling stomach, rib cage, all the way up to the collarbones. Exhaling from the top to the bottom, navel tucking in to fully exhale. Notice the sense of expansion with every inhale and the sense of surrender as you exhale. We have less than a minute left. Both the right and left nostril breathing can be practiced for as little as 3 minutes and as long as you want. There is no side effects, and you can do that breath whenever you want. It's fantastic for when you feel anxious. This is a really good way to calm yourself down. Almost there. Now remove your right hand and deeply inhale rather. Suspend your breath, hold it in your body with no tension. Exhale. Allow yourself to spend here a little bit more time and notice what has changed during this brief time that you devoted to yourself. Notice the flow of your breath, the flow of your energy, a change in your thoughts, anything and everything that is to be noticed. No judgment needed. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Beautifully done. My deep gratitude for practicing with me today. Thank you so much. Sat Nam.